In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use camera framing in Google Meet. This handy feature ensures you're always front and center during your video meetings, making your communications clearer and more personal. Whether you're leading a team meeting, attending a virtual conference, or simply catching up with friends, using camera framing can greatly enhance the experience. Let's dive into the process of enabling and managing this feature on your computer. To get started, open Google Meet and join or initiate a video meeting. You can do this by navigating to the Google Meet website or accessing it through your calendar if you have a scheduled meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice a range of options displayed at the bottom of your meeting window. This is where the magic happens. Now, before you dive into your call or while you're already in it, look for the More Options icon, which appears as three vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will unveil a variety of settings designed to optimize your meeting experience. From here, select Apply Visual Effects. This powerful tool allows you to personalize your meeting environment and enhance how you present yourself on camera. As you explore the visual effects, you'll want to direct your attention to the Appearance section. With just one additional click, you can adjust several settings related to how you and your surroundings are displayed to other participants in the call. Within the Appearance settings, you'll find the option to scroll down to Framing. Once you reach the framing setting, you have the ability to toggle this feature on or off according to your preference. By turning it on, Google Meet's automatic framing technology kicks in. This clever feature detects your position and recenters the camera view so that you remain at the center of your screen no matter how you move. It's especially useful for participants who tend to move around a bit during meetings, helping maintain a professional and engaging presence at all times. However, if you prefer to manage your camera manually or have specific reasons for wanting wider visibility of your surroundings, you may choose to turn this feature off. If the automatic framing feature is active, it's enabled by default on Google Meet, which means any new meetings you join will automatically keep you central on screen unless you choose otherwise. And there you have it. You've now mastered the essential steps to utilizing camera framing in Google Meet. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference, helping you stay focused and ensuring you communicate effectively with others. With this powerful tool in your arsenal, you can enjoy a seamless and visually polished Google Meet experience every time. Thank you for tuning in and happy meeting.